When I was a little kid, maybe 3 or 4 years old, my father wanted to teach me how to swim. And me on the time, I was so scared of water that this was something that really frightened me, the idea of entering in the sea. And we go on that time to the Black Sea. And my father decided to just tell me that, okay, I will take you a little bit on behind my back and we will go a little bit in the water. So when he did this, I trusted him. However, when we entered the water and I start to feel getting my feet wet, I decided that I'm in big danger. So for this reason, I started to shout, "Police, police, please come and save me." And everybody all around us was looking on us, and my father was like looking left and right. But this is one of the moments when I really think that it's not so easy to be a father, especially with an unpredictable kid. And for this reason, I also learned swimming quite late because nobody tried again to take me in the sea. And I learned swimming maybe when I was like 16 or 17 years old. And before that, I never even wanted to enter water so much, even when I was going on holiday on the seaside. If you ask me about which one is the most essential equipment that I take underwater, I would not include here the equipment which is part of the life support. So obviously regulators, second stages, tanks are critical. Okay, so without this you cannot enter underwater. So definitely you really need them for everything that you do. However, apart from this, if there is one piece of gear which I really like and I find very useful, it's the corded light. And I like it very much, not only because it helps you to look under rocks and because it helps you to see things in particular, but also it's very helpful for signaling and communicating with your teammates. Okay, so you can use the corded light to send signals to the people around you, or you can use the corded light just to show that you are okay and everything is fine. Or in case of an emergency, you can, shake it very fast and you can easily inform your teammates, your colleagues that you are in trouble. So if I choose one piece of equipment which is really essential for me today, it's definitely the corded light. Usually on recreational dives, you are required to look around you for 1 minute, and then after that, if you don't find your colleagues, you can go up, and then you should regroup yourselves on the surface. Of course, you should do your safety stop, and after that, you should meet all together on the surface of the sea. In terms of environment, I believe that it's very interesting to see evolution. So, for example, you go 1 year in one place, and okay, you see you like one side, and you can understand that okay, we have a lot of marine life here. We can see this and this species of fish, and after 1 year or 2 years, you come back to this place. And then you can see what changed in terms of marine life or the environment itself that you can see while you are diving. This is a good, I would go here back to one site which is pretty popular in Diba, Fujairah, and I would speak about what is called artificial reef. When I started diving, artificial reef was one of the sites which was popular just because it was, I think it was only 14 meters deep, and for this reason it was accessible for anyone. Like starting with the open water level, anyone could go and dive there. But okay, it was an artificial reef built by the government. It was nice, but it was not one of my favorite sites at all. But I would say that now if you go there, and if you look back in time to 2 or 3 or 4 years ago, there is so much more marine life in this place that you can only understand that, I mean, there is a lot of evolution and a lot of change in the same location, but because a lot of marine life discovered it, a lot of marine life move there, they breed in this place, they are, I mean, schools of fish come and they are just swimming around in this place. I would say that this evolution is actually impressive. Like, you started from something, you have seen things looking in one way, and after a few years you can see and you can understand that things look different now. So yeah, environment is something that is always changing, always evolving, and it is really impressive to see this change in time. Okay, most intelligent behavior that I have seen from marine animal, I wouldn't say that happened while I was in water. I remember that I have seen how killer whales, orcas, are hunting, and these killer whales are amazingly smart, and you can see how they work as a group of 4, 5, 6 killer whales in order to hunt their prey. I think that this is one of the most impressive and most intelligent things that you can see underwater, when you see a social structure like a group of killer whales working together to achieve an objective.